Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Maulidia Zahrani Ardia. I would like to analysis my journal ESP. This research focuses on two main questions. One, how do students in the hospitality program perceive their English language needs? And two, to what extent does the current syllabus meet their target needs? These questions are crucial as they reflect an effort to understand the specific needs of students in learning English, related directly to their future careers in the hospitality industry. By addressing this question, the research aims to provide insight for syllabus improvement to make it more relevant and effective. The research methodology employed is qualitative, aimed at illustrating real phenomena within the classroom context. This approach was chosen because it provides an in-depth understanding of students' needs and their perspective on the English learning process in vocational programs. Data collection was conducted through observation, interviews, questionnaire, and document analysis. This methodology allows for collecting rich and varied data, providing a comprehensive view of student perception and syllabus effectiveness. Questionnaires. This instrument was used to gather quantitative data from students regarding their needs and perception of English learning. The questionnaire was constructed with a like scale from 1, strongly disagree, to 5, strongly agree, to assess students' agreement with given statements. Interview. This method was used to gain deeper qualitative insight from both students and teachers. The interviews allowed the researchers to gather information on teaching methods, challenges faced by students, and teachers' views on the alignment between the syllabus and students' needs. Document review. A review of the syllabus and teaching materials was conducted to evaluate how well these components support the development of skills relevant to the hospitality industry. Research site and respondents. The study was conducted in several vocational high schools in Surakarta, Indonesia, that offer hospitality programs. The respondents include students from grades 10 and 11, teachers, and school principals involved in the teaching process. The respondents were purposefully selected to ensure the data collected was relevant to the research context. Data analysis. Data collected through questionnaires were analyzed using SPSS software to produce descriptive statistics in the form of percentage and frequencies. These results were used to describe student perception of their language needs. Data from interviews were analyzed thematically to identify key patterns and insight. Data triangulation was employed to ensure the validity of the findings by comparing data from different sources, including observation, interviews, and document analysis. Research findings. The research findings reveal that most students 73.34% prioritize learning English for workplace communication in the hospitality industry, highlighting the need for practical communication skills in the curriculum. Currently, the syllabus focuses too much on general English and grammar, resulting in a gap between learning objectives and the specific competencies required in the industry. Students face challenges like limited vocabulary 53.3%, difficulties with complex grammar 26.7%, and pronunciation issues 20%. They also prefer interactive teaching methods such as role plays and real life scenarios, emphasizing the need for a more practical and context driven approach to language learning. And the last perception, students perceive that the existing curriculum did not adequately support them, as it focused too much on theoretical aspects and not enough on the practical language needed for real-world situations. They felt more supported when teachers provide additional materials that closely match their job-related needs. Although this highlights that the syllabus should have been designed with these aspects in mind from the beginning. That's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.